Alright, so day 2, we got our studs in, which is nice, but we still need to drill out the holes in this piece a little bit bigger so they'll fit nicer. With this on, it's still not lining up as nice as I want it to, so we're going to drill these out again. And then I think we're going to try and screw the two pieces together, so the lower piece onto the aluminum plate, that way it'll be like held better. So we're almost there. Okay, so that one's got some play on it.
Oh yeah.
And these ones, the rest of them are all like kind of jacked over. You know, they fit, but not enough to have some play. Make it a little bit easier when we're throwing it on. It's nice, yes? Now we sink it. Okay, because I'm lined up pretty good on this side. How are you looking? Oh, that's pretty good. That's like spot on. Alright, so that's our hole to hold that piece on. We're going to drill a clearance hole behind that. I thought these were self-tappers.
They are, but it's kind of gnarly.
You still want to tap it?
Yeah.
Fair enough. So that needs a little corner, that needs a little corner. So now we're on to clean and profile, clean and cut. And you wanted to epoxy, I wanted to epoxy the corners. Are you still up for that?
Yeah, we can epoxy however much you want. Once we fire that thing up, it's just you can do the whole freaking thing if you want it.
Yeah, okay.
You just want to clip
Just
these.
clean up those edges, yeah. So I think we should epoxy maybe like the screws and the screw holes and around those areas,
okay.
And then just call it.
Okay.
Hey. So these are all sanded, very nice. I was thinking like that.
Oh, jeez.
Just a little bit. Alright, so we got it drilled in. So that bolt, there's a bolt in there, is holding this piece onto the aluminum bracket, and that's it. The last step is going to be to pull this off and epoxy this piece to that piece.
Oh, you want to glue it together?
Well, if we're bonding it anyway.
Oh, yeah, true.
You know what I mean? Hold on, flip it over. Because one of the first things I did was show how misaligned this thing was from the start. So not only is it much more stable, but it's also much better aligned. Which is freaking perfect. Yeah, that's test fit.
Good.
So all of them are on.
Oh shucks. So you're going to use more glue. I put that static. Oh, we just got to. We'll just use it. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah, this one went in nicely. This one's a little bit needs a little persuasion.
Well, we can put this one in before. Let's take these out and see if we can pull it off with both of these on. You know what I mean?
I don't know why you need to. It doesn't matter. It doesn't.
Well, if that one's not going in as nice as it should be.
Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah? Yeah? Sweet. I like that. That is nice. Alright, so now we are going to sand the metal bars down and sand the lower piece and make two pieces one piece.
Suck it. Okay, I'm turning the camera off.
There it is.
Let them be one.
They are now one. Boom. Okay, that's gonna be enough?
Nope.
No? Alright, so it is starting to get late. I am going to continue working on the swing, but I'm going to end the video here. We've made a lot of progress on this, more progress than I thought we were going to make in just 2 days, and it's coming out perfect. So for one, we got our mounting holes all proper in the spot, so this thing is going to be on here freaking tight. Because before it was really unstable. You could like move both pieces with just like your fingers, which was really sketchy. So this thing is going to be on the car solid now. Bondoing done. We got a little bit of glaze putty, spot putty going on. I probably used a little bit more than I should, but it is lined up very well, as you guys can tell. Before it was like way off, and now the sanding is coming in. We're doing some final touches on this side, and it is looking freaking almost like a single piece, like it was meant to be. So it's looking good. I hit a couple other spots with some of that, and I still have some work to do on this side. This just finished drying, so I'm going to sand this down in a minute. But we solved the structural integrity factor of it. Securing it to the car is good now. This just needs a little bit more work, and then it'll be good. There are a lot of spots like right there that I have yet to even touch with the sander. I've been mainly focusing on this section right here on both sides. So I got a bunch of fine grit sand that I'm going to go over and just make it smooth and do the final touches with. And I got some sandable primer, which is going to be good to fill in like those tiny gaps. So we'll fill that in. You can like barely feel that with your hand. This whole thing is pretty smooth, one piece. But like that. And just some of the other little nicks and stuff in the wing are going to get filled with primer like that. Once it's all nice and super clean, then we're going to prime it and then send it in for paint, and then that'll be it. And the wing will basically be finished. So I'm super hyped with the amount of progress that we've gotten over the last 2 days. There is still a good bit of work to be done. Just maybe hit it hard one night, and then that'll be it. Alright, there will be another video on this fairly soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I will see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars.